Hi there and welcome to buyticketsairline.com, where you'll be able to purchase your airline tickets easily, quickly, online. Just a quick overview of the website, what it entails. As you can see, a little bit of information where if you want to book airline tickets immediately, just go down to the bottom of the web page, click on buy your airline tickets today, click on a link, it will take you through to our partnered website. But I want to make you aware of a couple of things before we go over to their partnered website. We've got some articles relating on the topic of airline tickets, some travel tips, and some other explore destinations that you should have a look at. Okay, let's first look at the travel tips, where I highly recommend that you sign up for our newsletter, where you can see over here travel tips. Type in your name, email address. Please sign up. It will make your experience a lot better and a lot easier next time you travel. And we've also got a section here where we can book for other destinations, specific destinations that you're looking for. So if you're looking for any of these destinations, click on them and it'll take you through to our partnered website. Let's go through to our partnered website. You can basically land up at the website looking like this: round trip, one way, multi-destination, flight only. It's all self-explanatory, but most importantly is no booking fees, and you can book instantly and find out your price instantly. So if you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link on the left hand side, and if you're watching this on my webpage, click on the link below to get to this website. And please don't forget to sign up for our travel newsletter. Thank you.